Hi everybody. I'm going to walk you through how to add images to your Student Works page. We've done this before in our previous class, and so we're just going to add to this and we're going to categorize the work a little bit better. So you're going to need to access your site through the Google Classroom, and once you get there you're going to want to edit it. And once you're logged into your Gmail account, the little edit button will pop up and then you have access to edit this. Now you're going to want to make sure that you publish whatever changes that you make so I can see what you've done and I can give you credit for it. This will also give you a better understanding of what artwork you have, what you still need, and what work is still in progress. So I'm going to go to the page that I have in my menu called Student Work. Yours will be called Artist Work, and there you can classify which type of work, your breadth or concentration, you want to feature first. So I'm going to add a text box so that I can keep my artwork a little bit organized. And to do that, I'm going to go to the inserts, I'm going to click on text box, and it's going to pop up right here. So I can categorize this as breadth. Now remember, this is anything that is skill, technical work, and quality work. So underneath this, in this section right here, you can upload your images. So you're going to select images and you're going to have to search your drive. So you took the pictures before and you can either email them to yourself or you can share them to your drive. You want to make sure that you share them to your drive so that you can access them and you can upload them to your breadth. So you may need to go back into your email and email them to yourself. And all you have to do is just in the where you're sending it to, you'll put your email address, your school email address, who it's from. You will also use your school email address, and then you will select the pictures that you want to send to yourself. And really you're just sending them to you, uploading them to your drive, and then you can access them through your website. So once you have those, you can see them when they pop up in your drive. So right here, I'm going to just borrow artwork from one of my students in another class. I'm going to highlight that work by selecting it, and then I'm going to press select, and it's going to insert it right here. Now, I can title this work by adding another text box and placing that text box with the move button here right next to my work. So if I want to give this a title, I can say, oops. And here's the title for the artwork. I could even include a description if I wanted to. That may help you with kind of organizing when you start talking about your artwork. This is going to help you with organizing that. So if you want to start adding descriptions, you can. You don't have to. You can just keep it as it is with the title. But I'm just going to add this here so I can show you. So here's my description of my artwork, and then I can continue to move on. So I can continue to add my pictures. If I want to make my pictures bigger, let's say I want to crop them or reposition them, rotate them, all those tools are right here. So you can fix all of your images, add a caption as well. So it can add it directly underneath it if you don't want to add a long description. Let's say you just want a short little caption. Or even the name of your art piece, you can attach it right there. So you're going to go through and you're going to do this for your breadth, so uploading every single image that you have. Even if they're not completely done, you just want to get them uploaded so that you can see where they are. Then once you are done with that, you want to add another text box and you want to start your concentration. Now remember, this is any work that is created on a theme. So from there, I'm going to select my images again. I'm going to borrow this image and pretend like this is the image I want to use. Then I can go in, I can add my caption if I want to. I can add alternate text. I can add a description over here. I can even reposition my picture. Let's say I want my picture to be in the center. I could put it right there, and then I could put 2 other images on either side if I wanted to. So I'm just going to borrow this image again, and I'm going to put it right next to itself, so I have multiples of that. So if you want to line up your pictures like this, you have that option. All you have to do is just kind of move them around just by your little cruiser here, moving that all around. And then you just want to continue to add text boxes, adding your images, until you get all of your images uploaded and ready to go. Once that is done, you're going to hit publish. At the bottom of the screen, it's going to ask you if you want to view your published site. You want to view it, and it shows your student work, or excuse me, your breath and concentration. Mine's featuring your student work. And then I can copy this, and in the comments section of Google Classroom, you can go ahead and paste this there. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing your work.